Hello everyone, this is Tim here at Clustaar, and I'm here to show you how to link steps together in the Clustaar platform to create a chatbot. So here we have a story hello that is triggered by an intent hello. And I have a few steps that I want to link together. The first thing you have to remember, and the most important thing, is that it's always the step before that will choose where to go next. So if you want to link those two steps, you need to go here in the first step. The chatbot says, hey, how are you? Then you're going to choose what happens next. So if user response, for example, contains the word good, then it will go to the step user is good. Here links to user is good. And here you have your first link. Then we're going to go a step further. So, hey, how are you? Then if user response, and you see here that you have several logical connectors. All these are numerical connectors if you use numbers, and here, for example, you can use if user response matches intent, we're going to use an intent that I previously created. If user response matches intent, I'm not good, then it will go to user is not good. And here you go, you have your two links. So we're going to try it. Hello, chatbot is answering. Yes, how are you? I'm not great. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. The chatbot is, again, very sympathetic. I'm going to show you one more time. For example, if the user is good, oh, that's great to hear, and with a little image. And it asks, where do you live? Then, if user response matches intent, city, then it will go to user lives in. And here you go, you have a new link. So this is your first story. So you can link steps together in a story, but you can also link them to another story. For example, here, user is not good. Then, if user response contains, for example, thank you, then it will go to a new story that we're going to name You're Welcome. Here you go, it appears here. So that's all you needed to know. I hope this was useful. What you really must remember is that it's always the step before that will decide where to go next. So always choose your links in the step beforehand. I hope this was useful. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any problem or to click here to get some help. Thank you very much.